this is October the 21st, it's Saturday. And Andreas and I have just got my very favorite car in the whole wide world ever back together again. This is a 38 Bentley 4 1/4, but I have made a few obvious little changes to it. One is I moved the engine and transmission back 18 inches. Thus you see here the boxing for the radiator. The radiator is, again, not a 4 1/4, it's a 4 1/2. It came from a 1928 Le Mans 4 1/2 liter Bentley that had been crashed, and the only thing salvaged was this radiator. And I was able to get it 30 years ago. And I've been dealing and thinking about what I'm going to do to this car to make it special. It was a 4-door sedan. I threw the body away. And anyhow, this is what I did. I scalloped the doors so they would fit around the side mounts. This is the only car in the entire world. Please prove me wrong. Try to. You won't be able to do it. I spent 30 years checking it out. Look at this. Everything on it is unbelievable. Interesting little thing. This is a speedometer or a tachometer from a World War I French fighter plane. And it goes up to 47,500 in the black. You notice that. That's because they were firing twin machine guns through the props and they were geared. They click, 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 click. Brrr. But if you got into the blue, if you were into a fight and you got excited, you'd get into the blue, and every once in a while, one of those bullets would miss out, and it would clip the prop. If you got into the red, it was 55 up, you were dead. You were flying a no-propeller plane coming down like a bomb. Anyhow, this is my favorite car of all time, and thank God for Andreas. He helped me get this thing back together again the way it was. And I'm so happy. Now I'm going to play. This is very unusual. I come up with this a particular idea of the radiator emblem turned into the fantail. You can be done for Aston Martins, Bentleys, whatever, Lagondas. This is what I did. So I'm very happy with this. This is a very happy day. And I'm in my third Batman. Let me tell you, you can have 3 Batman. It has to be a good day.
So how do we do Batman again?
A Batman, we put in 3 count of gin, a 1.5 count of Meyer lemon juice, and 7-Up, and a lot of ice. Give it a stir, and after the first little hit, you're going to go, oh my God. It really is good. Thank you.
Well, cheers.
See you later. Cheers.
Share the video, please.
Share it, please share it all around.